Almost done. You should be good to go in about 30 minutes.
Sounds good. Hey, let me ask you something. I want to have you take care of everything with my car. All the maintenance, upkeep, and repair for the whole year. I want to be able to call you anytime I need help with my car. I want you to monitor the security system on my car and respond if it goes off. And when needed, I want you to come work on my car at my place and at a great discount. Oh, and not just my car, but my wife's car too.
Okay, sure.
And I want to pay you one reasonable flat fee for all of that. What do you say?
Oh, that's funny.
I wasn't joking. With PRR HomeGuard, all maintenance, upkeep, security, and support for your PC or Mac is covered for a full year. And when needed, we'll come to you on site at a great discount. We'll even include other computers in your house if you need it, all for one reasonable flat rate. We're not joking.
Oh, you really had me going there.
PRR HomeGuard, the complete service plan for your home computers.